Hey, how's it going everyone? Don here, and welcome back to VR Gamer Dude. Now, if you've been watching the channel recently or following me over on socials, you're gonna know I am absolutely loving my time with the INAIR 2 Elite Suite. And I can't thank INAIR enough once again for sending this out because it is something I am literally using almost every day. Now, I did a full review of this a couple of weeks ago, and in that review, I'll give you a little TLDR. I love the system. I didn't find the glasses to be the best quality. They are not bad in any way, shape, or form, but there are a few others that are better out there. However, what I really liked was the INAIR Pod. Now, in this video, we're gonna take a deeper dive into the INAIR Pod, and I'm gonna literally jump inside, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of the OS and tell you some of the features that I think are pretty cool. So let's go. All right, here we are. We are in the INAIR OS. And you know, right off the bat, the first thing you notice is how 3D everything is. I mean, it's just gorgeous to be in this immersive 3D space that you don't get with a lot of other XR glasses. And you know, to know that that space is surrounding you in 360 degrees, it is just amazingly immersive. And then you have your OS in 3D, like these icons. I mean, that just blows me away. This one's hovering off the screen. This one has depth. These are regular. So very cool to just see that right off the bat. Okay, I know, I'll quit nerding out now. So, all right, on to the tour. Now, the first things that you're going to see here on the home screen are the INAIR Space and the My Phone app. And, you know, very cool that those are included right off the bat because that is some of the stuff that I do use the most. It's very handy to be able to connect back to my PC from wherever I am and then have full capability of it. So if I wanted to do that, I just click it. There's my studio. It's going to request connection. Okay, and there it goes. It's connecting, and there you go. Now, we could put it in privacy screen. We can, you know, that basically would blank out the PC screen. You guys can see I'm actually doing the recording right now. So you can actually see how the magic is made here in VRGD Studios. So, all right, but you guys get the gist. It is my PC. It is usable. I can, you know, fully use my PC in the INAIR Pod, in the glasses. So very cool there. We've also got the same capability with your phone. So if you want to access your photos, your document files, your actual files, you can do some file transferring between the pod and your phone. So loving that. And then, you know, rounding out the front page here, we've got our quick, you know, menu here. This is where we're going to be able to, you know, kind of like your Android pull down on your Android phones. This is going to be your quick stuff like your brightness, your immersiveness, your volume. I can record the screen as I'm doing right now, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You guys get the gist on all that. And then, of course, you know, you've got your AI assistant. Very cool that you know, have that pretty much throughout the OS. I mean, anytime you need to pull that up, it is right here on this home page. You can pull it up, I believe, from the little expanded quick start menu that we'll get once we start opening apps, or you could just press and hold the button and then the AI assistant comes up. Hey, how's it going? Okay, and just takes a few seconds and then we'll get a response, and there you go, doing well. Thanks for asking. How can you help today? Well, not today. We're recording a video, but we'll definitely dive deeper into you at a later time. Now, other things that round out the landing page here are an immersive reader where you can read some books. You've got your YouTube app, very useful for me, your Instagram, and your TikTok. Now, if we slide over, that's where we start getting into the meat and potatoes of the operating system here. These are all of our apps that we have installed. These are the first four that we found on the home page. You've got your settings. If you look at it, it's your typical Android settings. So very similar to the kind of watered down settings that you find in Android TV boxes, which, you know, this kind of is similar to. One cool thing, and I'm going to show you guys right here that I learned over on the Discord, there is a secret menu. Okay, okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, don't tell anyone. This is a secret. All right, so if you want to access the secret menu here in your pod, you just go below the logout here and click rapidly 10 times, and there you go. So in the secret menu here, we have the ability to cast. Like if I had my projector up, I could cast over to my projector. It has that ability. You can actually change the screen resolution from 1080p 60 to 4K 30. I do prefer the 60 when I'm recording, but obviously that is what I prefer when I'm not recording here in the glasses. And then you can switch the OS from 3D to 2D. That's very handy for using competitors' glasses. Like, you know, when you first plug them in, they're going to have the 2-eye view. Now, a lot of those glasses can do 3D on the fly from the glasses. I know the XREAL and the VITURE products can do that. So, but very cool that they give you the option to switch the operating system out of immersive mode here if you want to. And then of course, everything else is going to be, you know, pretty much, you know, what you'd expect. They do have some pretty robust developer options already enabled for you here. So, you know, if you are an Android developer, please consider making some apps for XR. We need them, you know, for not just INAIR, for everybody. It's time. It's definitely time for XR apps to start hitting the Google Play Store. So, all right, moving on from settings, we don't want to look at the boring stuff here. We'll kind of speed this up just a little bit. Obviously, you can see we've got other AI stuff. We've got a 3D model viewer, very cool, that I can, you know, pull up a model of Wall-E here. And if I wanted to, I can make it big, and then I can grab this and I can make it huge. And now what's missing is the ability, obviously, to walk around Wall-E there. So, you know, hopefully I'm going to start experimenting with my XREAL 1 Pro. They have the 6DoF chip built in, so maybe that will, you know, marry with this perfectly and give us this beautiful OS in 6 degrees of freedom. Wouldn't that be awesome? So, all right, moving on here. If we want to recenter the pod, you can see I just give it a shake there. Now, on this page, another thing that you're going to notice, and it is just amazing to have in a device like this, is that it is fully Google certified. So we've got full Google Play Store capability here. Let's go ahead and move that back down to a smaller size. So we've got full Google Play Store capability here, logged in as me on my account. And, you know, not just that, I mean, it's beautiful to have my Chrome browser as well. So the Chrome browser here, it's going to log right into my account. It's going to have my favorites. This is literally was cooking this for dinner tonight. And I'll tell you, if you haven't had this, this is amazing. Just the whole family loved it. And I was cooking it with these glasses on. I'm going to do a little short of that. Look for that later in the month. You know, I'm going to start doing a little shorts with this. Yeah, it was really cool to just have this, you know, hovering right here. You know, I can make it big and immersive. I can even make it 3D if I wanted to. I mean, you know, let's look at creamy garlic Parmesan chicken here in 3D. Oh my God, that chicken is just standing off the page. It's beautiful. So, all right, it's making me hungry. All right, so moving on here, back into the OS again. We'll go in here again. Now, just moving through the pages, I mean, you know, it's your standard stuff. We've got our Netflix, you know, your contacts from your phone can move over. Again, your Google services, Google Drive access. There's our AI agent. AI agent can be accessed multiple ways throughout the operating system. You know, you can go through the icon here. You can just simply press and hold the button. You've got the little search bar on the quick start guide. Another thing, INAIR does have their own app store, so you can come in and they have a lot of apps here that have been pre-selected and certified to work with the pod. A lot of productivity, you know, like say here, collaboration, news apps. You've got, you know, all your social apps, different AIs. If you know, you want to play around with the different AIs. You know, you've got, let's see here, I think you can, this is where you're going to get your app updates. So very cool there. And let's see here, let's go back in here. We're almost done here, guys. So a Master in INAIR, that's a really good tutorial program. It's going to teach you all about everything you can do with the OS, the pod, the glasses. And then, of course, you know, there is gaming. I mean, you've got the ability to play Android games. So I've downloaded some of my favorite Android games. I've even got VR chat. That is a very wild to be in VR chat in an XR glasses. For somebody who was at VR chat when like the first 10 people were there, it's to see how that's grown is like, you know, just blowing my mind, and to see it now on 2D screens, and now I can even play the 2D version in XR. It's just kind of neat. So, other than that, I really don't know what else to show you. You know, we talked a little bit about the AI. There is some cool AI stuff that you can do here with the photos. I did forget to show you that. That's kind of neat. I've taken this one and kind of made it a few different ways here. Like there's GTA Dawn, and let's say I wanted to, I don't know, change that again here. Let's go with Pixel Dawn here. There's Pixel. There's my Lego. There's my Cyberpunk. So very cool. Just lots of the fun stuff that you can do. I can, do the AI to 2D to 3D conversion on any just 2D picture and make that just perfect 3D. It just really pops. It just looks good. And then, last but not least, I mean, as you can see, as I've been opening apps, they're all lining up around me. So, let's say I wanted to move Wally up here to the top, and, that is just too cool. And, so I don't know. This is just the best way to do entertainment, is the best way to do business. I mean, you've got your space video app here. I love all the 3D content built in. The fact that it allows me to load my own 3D content. I've actually got IMAX movies here that I've had for years, that I ripped from a Blu-ray disc using an old DVD burner. And yeah, so there you go, guys. It's an IMAX 3D in my pocket, and a portable office, and just one of the best darn spatial operating systems that I've personally used. So, all right, and I think the last thing I want to show you guys is gaming. So, it is an Android spatial computer. It is a nice Android computer. So you can actually download some of your favorite games from the App Store here. So we'll go ahead and load up some GTA San Andreas here and kind of play this one out. Now, again, you can grab the screen. I can move it forward, backwards. I can position it where I want it here. And another thing you can do, again, we can make it 3D. So there you go. If I had my controller here in a second, once this turns 3D, we will actually be playing GTA San Andreas on a massive screen in 3D with stereo audio in our ears. We can make that screen as big as we want. I mean, look at that. I mean, this is nuts. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab a controller, and I think it's game time for me. But, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a like, give it a share. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you are interested in XR tech, VR tech, just tech in general, I'm starting to just branch out and do some other tech. So if you're interested in that, just let me know, and let me know in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next one. I'll have links for all of this in the description. So, all right. This is Don, signing off.